Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Pattern to Google Analytics. So actually guys, first you will need to go with Zapier.com. So this is the third-party tool that will make an integration or a connection between Pattern and Google Analytics. Okay, so just go with Zapier.com and log in with your account, and then just go and click on create button that's located under Zapier at the top left corner of the page. And yeah, so we all need to select Zaps on the pop-up menu. It's the first option, and here will be presented with two methods. It's the AI built-in method and the manual method. So for the AI, you can just go and type right here, set up for me Pattern as a trigger, and Google Analytics as an action. Okay, and then just go with start building, and the AI will do the work for you. So if you prefer the manual method, so you can go with trigger right here, and then just look for Pattern. And I will need to mention that you will need the premium version of Zapier to find Pattern and to select it. Okay, and then you will need to select the trigger events and to sign in to your Pattern account. Then you will need to go with action right here and to look for Google Analytics. Okay, and once it's found, just go ahead and select it, and then just choose the events from here. So it's up to you, like create conversation events for a property, create measurements, run reports for a property, etc. And then just go with sign in with your Google account. Afterward, you will need to go with the test from here, test run button, and then just publish turn that Zap on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.